Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Drive app, you should just go to Settings. After that we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this page you will enter to the window of Google Drive. Then this list of app info we click on First Stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to Storage. Then we click Clear Cache. And in the end you can turn off your phone. We'll wait a moment to turn on your phone again. Then you can know how to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching and your attention.